Shifting focus now to some breaking news that's coming in amid the controversy over Ranveer Lahbadia's remarks on India's Got Latent. Now, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has issued an advisory on online curated content publishers or OTT platforms and self-regulatory bodies to ensure strict adherence to India's laws and code of ethics. As far as the IT Act, the IT rules of 2021 are concerned, they need to be adhered to. As far as OTTs go, all kind of content curation that happens on these platforms has to adhere to the norms, to the rule of law. That's something that the IT Ministry has now reiterated. Payal, my colleague, now joining us, getting us more details. Yes, Payal.
You know, in the wake of what really one saw in the episode of concerning, Allahabadia, after that, once again, the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has issued an advisory to all the intermediary platforms, especially to OTTs, essentially saying that they have to regulate the kind of content which goes on air and they cannot be putting out stuff which is promoting violence, something which is age related, something which is in violation of the laws, and that is something which has to be adhered to. So, apart from the IT Act and the IT rules that are there in place, which does not give them any immunity if they do not, take such content off their platforms. But at the same time, the Bharatiya Nyaya Sahita, the reformed criminal laws, will also be brought into effect, is what has been explained to them. This is being issued as an advisory, given the fact that multiple people have been complaining to the government, saying that the content on OTT needs to be regulated.
Right, so calls for greater regulation is something that are being made as a fallout of India's Got Latent controversy and the comments that were made by Ranveer Lahbadia. So far, the central government has issued an advisory. Will we move forward in the direction of regulation? That's something that we'll keep an eye out on.